Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Diff from Let's Get Violent, back again with another banging video. Today I figured out how to install Delta Online on Linux. Obviously a lot of people have been having issues with it. If you've been on a Discord server and you've tried to figure it out yourself how to get it on Steam Deck, you read the guide on Google document. What does they say? They say that you need to install the game first on Windows and then put it on the Linux machine with a USB stick. That's fucking retarded. Whoever wrote that guide, go suck your mum. I'm about to show you how to download Delta Online, go through the installer, and play the game without touching Windows. Whoever made that guide, you're a fucking cunt. And don't ever chat to me. I want to give a big shout out to the original guy that wrote the script, and I used ChatGPT to rewrite it to basically make it work on just my computer. So I'm giving the source to you guys. So if you fuck with the video, like and subscribe. Roll that clip. Alright, so obviously, step one, we got to make sure we have all the game files downloaded. So if you've been on the Discord server, you know the way that they have it is they have all of these different map packs that you have to download. They make you download it individually, and each one's like 2 gigabytes. But just skip all of that, because at the bottom, they have this torrent file. It's going to save you an extra 2 minutes, I would say. If you just check in the YouTube description, I have the magnet link in the description, so you can just copy that and you can just paste it into Qubit torrent. You can download that. It's about 20 gigabytes, but this is going to be a lot more efficient than having to manually go and download each individual map pack. And now while that's downloading, we're going to want to download a Python script that can basically do all of the dirty work that the installer would be doing if it worked on Linux. But that's the issue that we have. It keeps crashing on Linux, so we have to figure out how to install the game's map packs without it crashing. So we're going to use a Python script to do it all for us. So we're just going to click download on that. So if you didn't know already, Delta Online is basically using Steamworks' API for the peer-to-peer networking. So you can't just install the game on Lutris or Bottles. You have to add it as a non-Steam game. So pretty easy. We just need to go into Games, add non-Steam game to my library. And we're going to initially point it to the installer. So we're going to go to where we torrented Delta Online. So I have it here, so I'm just going to go into it and I'm going to click the installer.exe, add selected programs. Y'all know the drill. We're going to click properties and we're going to click compatibility. I don't think it matters too much which version of Proton you use. All right, now let's click play. Let's get this installer up and running. Alright, so now we have the installer, so we're just going to click accept, and it's going to ask us to pick a destination folder. Now, as you can see here, it says, do not install in program files or UAC protected, blah, 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 blah. I don't think, you can just sort of, me personally, I don't even put it in my wine prefix, because I'm a boss, and I do what the fuck I want. So I'm going to go into games, I'll just put it in there. Let's put it in there. We'll go and click extract. Cool, okay, so now we're going to add another non-Steam game, and this time we're going to go and we're going to go to where we downloaded the game or wherever we installed it to, and we're going to do select d on updater.exe. We're going to do that, add selected programs. Y'all know the drill. We're going to make sure it's going to be using that Proton. Now here's the thing, right? Even though we just spent all that time trying to seed torrent this 20 gigabytes worth of stuff, we're not done downloading the game's files. We've got to download more of the game's files, y'all. We have to click download here, and it's going to open up a web page. But this has like the latest. I don't know. It has. You just have to download it. All right. So you just download it. So we're gonna click the install button. So for me, I just got to go to home, GIF, downloads, and it should come up here. Perfect. And it's going to verify the game data. It's going to run through the algorithms. You know what I mean? Make sure it's the right one. All right, so once that's done, once it's all fine and dandy, it's going to say this, installation complete, content update required. And so what people on Windows would do is they would click this setting icon, they would go into content packs, and they'd go through each one of these packs, right, and install them. Don't do this. If you do this, it's going to just ruin everything, okay? So instead, we're just going to exit out of here, close that mother flipping app. I don't even want to swear right now. we're going to go back to our downloads. We're going to take the Python script that we just downloaded, and we're just going to make some amendments. Before we get started, we got to make some amendments, okay? So we need our Steam 64 ID. Go to your Steam page, and you can copy the page URL. And you can take that over to steamid.io. I'll put a link in the description. You can just paste it in there. And so, for example, for me, my Steam ID 64 is this. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to take it to the script. We're going to run it through the algorithms. We're going to paste that in there. And then we need the base directory. So the base directory is, you know, where this is. So you can just copy this, you know, wherever you torrented Delta Online. And then we need the Dion directory. So this is where this is the Dion folder wherever you installed the game to. So for me, it's games, Delta Online, Dion. Perfect. Take that, copy it, paste, save. We're gonna open up a little terminal. I'm gonna go to where I downloaded the thing. Right, there we go. Boom! Now it's really running through the algorithms. Now it's really running through the algorithms, trying to find out how to figure out how to internalize the graphics components in order to basically assimilate into the game engine, into the Unreal Engine. How do we make something that's Unreal real? Python. Okay, it should be good now. So we're gonna hit that play button, and we're gonna pray for the best. It would be mad funny right now if it just didn't work. Boom shakalaka. Oh, we just got it, we got it done. We got it done. If we go into the cog again, we go into content packs, we can see they're all downloaded. Oh yeah. And just to prove it, let's play that, man. Let's just play. Just on the casual one, just play the game. Just load the game up. Just load the game up. Just take me to the main menu. Let me close out of that just to save up on the RAM. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial video, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And we're going to do something different. You know how most people are saying in the video, like, make sure you like and subscribe? How about this? If you comment if you liked and subscribed the video.